Sanchez with the Sanchez Realty Group at United Real Estate. First of all, I'd like to thank you for a spectacular 2021 and express our gratitude to you that used us and you entrusted us with your most precious asset, but also referred us your friends and family throughout the year. Thank you very much from the heart. This occasion, I'd like to bring you Northern New Jersey numbers, and especially Clifton, which is very similar to many of the towns in our area. Okay. And if you have a need for your particular numbers in your particular neighborhood, feel free to refer to us and we'll do it for you without any obligation, and it's totally free. Okay, this is going to be the last quarter of 2021 as compared to the last quarter of 2020, where we had since October to December 31st, 2021, 229 homes sold. That is single family homes, which is also condos and townhouses and active community homes. Okay, median sold price of 439,157 for a median list price of 142,000. That's days on the market 19 and sell to list price ratio almost 104%. That's as opposed to last year, the same last quarter of 2020, 217 homes with a median sold price of 405,000, with a median list price of 397,000, 21 days on the market, and list price to sales price ratio of 100%. That represents an increase of almost 9%. Okay, that's a great market still. Although things are stabilizing a little bit, there is still a great market out there. There are some highlights that I'd like to bring to you, and some market highlights. And the first one is that buyers are still looking right now. In fact, so many people are saying that there is not an inventory issue, but there is a demand issue because there's more buyers for the available homes. And yet, when we compared the sold homes last year to this year, we had a higher number last year. Okay, so according to ShowingTime, about 6 million property showings are scheduled across the country on an every month basis. That tells us that there's very big traffic of buyers, okay, looking for the available homes. The second one is other sellers are planning to list earlier this year. So if you're thinking about selling within the next few months coming into the spring, perhaps now is a great time, because according to law of supply and demand, okay, when there's more competition, it's better for you to attract the best price and the ideal conditions and terms. Okay, so with less demand, with higher demand and less competition, is much better for you. Newly constructed homes, new permits since 2020 are about 1 million. Okay, and a lot of these homes are about to get done. Okay, coming up in the spring, which represents that there's going to be the bottleneck that created the pandemic is about to ease up a little bit when all these homes come in the market, which is going to represent a little bit more competition for your home when it comes on the market in the spring. Okay, fourth, there will never be a better time to sell than right now. Whether you're relocating or perhaps you're moving up, getting a nicer home, or moving down, downsizing, this is a great time. Interest rates are still very low, which it has been forecasted due to the conditions of the economy right now and the inflationary pressures. The Fed might start increasing rates, which is going to make it a little bit harder, or not harder, but it's going to make it a little bit more costly and expensive to buy. Okay, so now is a great time. Bottom line is, if you're in the market or anybody you know is in the market to sell within the foreseeable future, feel free to refer it to us, and we can connect and have a friendly conversation, and perhaps even equip them with the sellability report, which is going to tell them where they score as far as presenting their home in the best possible way so that they can get the highest possible price and, again, maximum exposure and the best terms and conditions. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and feel free to subscribe to this content. We would really appreciate it, and thank you much. Again, be safe, okay, and feel free to contact us should you need anything where we could be of assistance. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.